Hi everyone, welcome to CF5301. So at first I really thank you so much for taking this course, and I'm really looking forward to working with you this semester. I think we will do a great job in this semester. So in this video, the main aim of this video is to introduce the Canvas system. So if you have never used Canvas before, please watch this video very carefully. And I will also have a brief introduction of the week 1 page. So if you have any question, please send an email. To me. I will be very happy to help you. So at first, I'm going to show you the front page of our course. So this is the front page of our course. So every week, what you need to do is just go to the front page and use the week picture to navigate to the week page. Like for example, this is the week 1 picture. You can just click the picture, and then it will lead you to the week 1 page. And in the front page, you can also get the information of the course syllabus, the publishing date, time for every week session, and also you can get my personal information. So if you want to contact me, there will be some contact methods that you can use to contact me. You can send me an email, or you can just schedule an office appointment. So every week. What you need to do is to finish all of the tasks every week. So in different weeks, we have different tasks. So like for example, in the week 1, we have 4 tasks in total, so which means you need to finish all of the tasks to get the credits of this week. So now I'm going to show you the week 1 page. The week 1 page, as I just mentioned, we have 4 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this welcome video, and the second one is to read the course syllabus and the tips for the success in online education. So the course syllabus is very important for the online courses. So please read it very carefully, especially the class schedule. So you can see all of the deadlines of different projects. So this course is a project-based learning. So I designed 4 projects you need to finish in the whole semester. So if you want to learn something in advance, so it's a great chance to read the course syllabus and learn them well. And the tips are also very important if you have never taken online courses, or if you did not take many online courses. It's a great chance for you to learn some tips to help you be successful in this online course. And the third task is also very important, is to use the Flipgrid to do the self-introduction. So for online education, knowing each other is very important. So I think now the first week is a very great chance for all of you to know each other. So you can use the Flipgrid to do a self-introduction. There are 3 guiding questions. And one thing to know that you can only use your email, university email address to log in the Flipgrid. So only the students and only students in the course can see your introduction. So please do not worry about it. So the last task of this week is to share your technology journal. So we will not use the discussion forum in the Canvas system. We will use the Slack as a discussion forum. So what you need to do is to read the description of this task, and there is one example for the technology journal, and then you need to join the Slack. So this is the invitation link for the Slack. You can just click it, and then it will need you to verify your email, and then you can join the Slack. And then the next step you need to do is to go to the technology journal channel, and then post your reflection here. So also you need to give at least 1 feedback to your colleague. So that's all for the week 1. So it's a very short and easy week. So I hope you will enjoy this course this semester. There are so many projects in the following semester, in the following weeks. All of them are very interesting. So I hope you will enjoy this course. If you have any question, please send an email to me. I will try to reply it as soon as possible. So thank you so much. That's all for week 1, and see you next week. Thank you.